ಹಲೋ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ಇವ್ರು ಶ್ರೀಕಾಂತ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
Yes, sir.
See, myself is Nagraj. I'm calling from the admin office in KIMS.
Okay.
You are currently a third year MBBS student,
Yes,
correct?
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, see, I'm actually got a complaint about you.
What did I do, sir?
No, before I'm going to say what you have done, you please tell me, you want to be honest allowing me or you want me to attack your father?
Sir, why father, sir? I didn't do anything, sir. I promise, sir.
Hey,
I'm just
rascal.
telling, sir. Please, sir.
We are seen in the camera, you are trying to kiss a cadaver, a dead body, you are trying to kiss it.
Sir, please don't say it like that, sir. I didn't do anything, sir. Maybe I was just practicing CPR, sir. I wasn't kissing a dead body, sir.
CPR you are practicing along with a dead body. What sort of
Sir,
a
it
sick
wasn't
fellow
a
you
dead
are?
body, sir. It was a doll, sir. It was just a
Yeah,
doll. It was
after
a
your
dummy
dead
piece,
body
sir.
is became, it is called a doll.
Sir, no, sir. It was a doll. It's a dummy piece, sir. It is a part of our course, sir.
Oh, you are doing a course or you are doing a inter?
Don't say that, sir.
I does
Please
not
don't tell
want
my
to
father,
say.
Sir. Please, sir, don't tell my father. It is not what you think it is, sir. Please, sir.
Allah,
It is just-
how you are having a ought to do such a thing? I want to
It is
know.
a part of our course. Please check, sir, if you can. It is not me, sir. Please, sir.
Huh?
It is a part.
When
it's
I'm
not
saying
only
you are
me,
put
sir.
a
It
boy
is-
in boy, you are saying why? What is this nonsense?
Sir, no, sir. I didn't say that, sir. Who told you, sir? I didn't do
No,
anything,
no,
sir.
you are a sickening mental fellow. 1 second. ಇದು ಮಂಜುನಾಥ್ ಅವರೇ, ಇವರು ಡ್ಯಾಡಿಗೆ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿ
Sir,
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ.
sir, please, sir. Sir, don't call my dad, sir. He won't believe me, sir. Already he's throwing me
Eh?
out of my house, sir.
Kindly
Please,
say the father that is walking the dead. Kindly say that one.
Sir, please, sir, don't. Sir, my daddy won't understand, sir. Please, sir, please.
What else you're doing along with dead bodies?
Sir, it was just CPR, sir. I promise, I swear.
Why you
I
cannot
will-
practice anything else along with a doll?
Sir, that time we were just doing CPR, sir. I'm sorry. I will never do CPR in my life, sir. I swear. Even if someone's dying, I won't do CPR, sir. I'm sorry.
No, no,
sir.
1
Please.
second.
Sir,
Bapa ಇಲ್ಲಿ.
please don't call.
ಅಲ್ಲ
Sir,
ಕಳ್ಸಿ.
sir,
No, no,
sir.
please. No, no,
Sir,
we does
please,
not want a
sir.
sick person
Sir.
like you. Today
Sir,
you are
no,
kissing
sir.
a doll. Tomorrow you will be on top of the doll. My God,
Sir,
no. ಅಯ್ಯೋ
sir,
ಅಮ್ಮ,
sir,
ಲಾರ್ಡ್
sir.
ಮುರುಘಾ, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್, ನೋ ನೀಡ್,
Sorry,
ಪ್ಲೀಸ್.
sir.
ಅಯ್ಯಯ್ಯೋ,
Please, sir.
ಬೇಡಪ್ಪ, ನೀನು ತುಂಬಾ ಮೆಂಟಲಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕೆಂಡ್ ನೀನು, ಬೇಡ.
Sir, what do you want me to do, sir? I'll do anything for you, sir. Please, sir. Help me.
You'll do
Don't,
anything.
Sir. Yes, sir. Anything, sir. But don't tell
Okay.
my daddy, sir. Please.
Give me a CPR then.
Sir, but... Sir...
No, no, don't worry. I will just act like a faint. Oh, like that and fall.
Sir, fine, sir. Okay, sir. If you say so, sir.